Hi, rising 10th graders. Welcome to my house. If it weren't for COVID, I would be meeting with you at school, probably during lunch, to talk to you about the differences between honors biology and what we now call college prep biology. But that's not possible, obviously, so I've made this little video that I hope will help you understand the difference between the two. That way, if you're sort of on the fence as to which one you really want to take, or you've signed up for honors but you're not sure exactly what you've signed up for, this will help you know better what to expect. So attached to the link for this video, I've put two documents, and they're actually the syllabi. The syllabus for what we now call college prep biology, and the syllabus for what we call honors biology. Okay, and so college prep biology is the biology course that you have to take to meet the science requirements to graduate from Providence Academy and to go to college, be ready for college, according to the state of Tennessee. Honors biology is sort of like college prep biology on steroids. And it's really designed to be a biology course for kids who are really passionate about biology, who think they're going to have a life sciences major in college, and who just kind of geek out over the kind of things that we learned in 7th grade. Oh, which reminds me, some of you may not have had me in 7th grade, and you might be wondering who it is that's talking to you. So I'm not sure that I introduced myself. I'm Mrs. Colley, and I'm the biology teacher at Providence. And so that's why I'm talking to you about this. I also teach 7th grade life science, so lots of you obviously have had me for that. Okay, but back to the differences between biology, college prep biology versus honors biology. So your college prep biology is a good, solid, foundational course. We cover all of the main topics of biology, including like cell structure and genetics and looking at the organisms in all the different kingdoms. And we do all of the dissections that the honors biology course does. We do plenty of labs. It's a good, solid course. Let me tell you how it's different from the honors bio class. The college prep biology class has no homework. The only homework, if you want to call it that, in the college prep class is to study for the quizzes and tests. The quizzes and the tests in college prep biology are all Scantron answerable. There are no essays. And I also review heavily for the quizzes and tests with all kinds of different review games. So those are some major differences. Another difference is that there are no projects in college prep biology. We do labs, like I said, and we do a lot of them. I don't grade your labs as stringently as I do the honors biology course, which means I grade them more easily. So that's kind of the main thing. The honors biology is the it's everything that the college prep biology is plus. Okay, so we have projects in honors biology, one every 9 weeks. None of them are group projects. Most of each project is done outside of class. The projects count the same as a test grade. The quizzes are usually Scantron only, but the tests all have essay questions. And they also have harder, like multiple choice and matching type questions. Told you you had projects in there. Oh, homework. The honors biology class has homework, and it's pretty rare that you are able to get started on the homework in class. Usually I reserve class time for going deeper into something or doing an extra lab or something like that. And the practice work, the homework, is done outside of class. You also have extra homework assignments where you do like independent research on some things, extra reading, just to go deeper into the different subjects. The labs, you get to do more in depth sometimes. You get to do different, more challenging labs sometimes. And definitely I grade you more stringently. I like to see that my honor students know what they did, they know why they did it, they know what their results mean. So I grade them pretty carefully. I'm trying to think if there's anything else. So I said projects, quizzes, tests, labs, yeah, and then the extra classwork and homework. I think that's everything. So, oh, I will tell you that, like, there are times sometimes when if you haven't finished your lab, you'll have to come sometime during the day or after school to finish your lab. That doesn't happen really often, but it sometimes happens when kids have been absent or just have taken a little bit longer on certain labs than others. So I do expect you to be ready and willing to do that as well. I hardly ever do review games for quizzes and tests. I expect you guys to do your studying mostly outside of class and to let me know if you have any problems. Let me see what else. I think that's all. If you have any questions after watching this video and you want to ask me anything, feel free to email me. I know one thing I was going to tell you, the grades in my class are in the honors biology class are usually really good. Like most people make A's. Some people make B's, some people make C's. But to make an A, I think you definitely have to want to work hard. It's not easy to make an A. You have to have a good work ethic, and you have to have time to be able to fit that work into your schedule. And I think it really helps if you just love biology. If you have a passion for biology, if you want your future to include a career in some sort of life sciences type career, then honors biology is for you. It's also a prerequisite for certain future science classes, so you have to consider that as well. If biology is not your love, it's okay. You do fine in it, but you really don't want to have any kind of major like that. I would say the college prep biology is for you. Because it definitely is not very much joy. It's not very joyful to have to put a lot of work into a subject that you just don't care that much about. That's why I say it's good to have a passion as well as a good work ethic. Okay, I think I've covered the main things. But like I said, if you have any questions, you just let me know. And if you think you need to make any changes to your schedule on the basis of this video, then you can just contact Ms. Ferguson. I hope you all are well, and I hope I get to see you again soon. I miss being at school. Bye-bye.